Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will review the American Express Platinum card. We'll dive into its extensive benefits, helping you decide if its premium features align with your spending habits. Discover how to effectively use its travel perks, statement credits, and exclusive access to make the most of your membership. This card is designed for frequent travelers and those seeking luxury experiences, so let's see if it fits your lifestyle and financial goals. The Platinum card provides substantial value through its numerous statement credits. You can receive hundreds of dollars back on digital entertainment, Uber rides, airline fees, and more. Beyond credits, enjoy unparalleled airport lounge access, including Centurion lounges and Priority Pass. Plus, benefit from complimentary elite status with Marriott Bonvoy Gold and Hilton Honors Gold, enhancing your stays with perks like late checkout and room upgrades. These benefits can significantly offset the annual fee. To effectively use your Platinum card, always book flights and prepaid hotels through Amex Travel to earn 5x membership rewards points. Remember to enroll in benefits like the Global Entry or TSA Pre-Check credit, which covers the application fee. Actively track and use your monthly and annual statement credits to maximize savings. When redeeming points, aim for travel redemptions for the best value, often exceeding 1 cent per point. Strategic use ensures you get the most from your card. Ultimately, the American Express Platinum card is worth it for those who can fully utilize its extensive benefits and credits. If you travel frequently, value premium experiences, and can consistently use the statement credits, the card's value can easily outweigh its annual fee. However, if your lifestyle doesn't align with these perks, a different card might be a better fit. Check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and I hope this review helps you make an informed decision about the Amex Platinum card.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.